Imagine waking up and the oceans are just gone. No more waves, no more fish, just dry, cracked earth. And the rotting skeleton of a blue whale, sun-bleached and fossilized, lying exactly where the Pacific Ocean used to be. I'm not kidding. This is exactly what would happen if every ocean on Earth vanished overnight. Stick around, because this gets worse, way worse. You're standing in the middle of what used to be the Atlantic Ocean. But now, it's just endless salt flats, sand dunes, and rusted shipwrecks, half buried in dust. Skeletons of whales. Coral turned to stone. From space, the Earth looks like a dried-up basketball, wrinkled, brown, and covered in massive gouges where oceans used to shimmer blue. And the smell? Rotting sea creatures, gas vents, and sun-baked algae fill the air. The Amazon River is just a cracked trench. The Great Barrier Reef? Dead, gone, forgotten. The oceans were Earth's air conditioning system. Take them away, and the planet loses its mind. Daytime, 60 degrees C, hot enough to literally cook an egg on your face. Nighttime, 30 degrees C, colder than Antarctica in winter. No oceans equals no buffer. Earth swings between extremes like a broken thermostat. Without water, the entire water cycle collapses. No evaporation, no clouds, no rain, nothing, anywhere, ever. And guess what? Cities dry up. Forests ignite. Rivers vanish. You want to grow wheat? You're farming in a microwave oven. Over 50% of the oxygen you breathe comes from tiny ocean organisms called phytoplankton. No oceans equals no plankton. No plankton equals you're suffocating in slow motion. You've got about 2 weeks before every breath feels like sucking air through a plastic bag. You'd be crawling around, desperate for a gasp, while your lungs scream, "Where's my algae juice, bro?" Whales, gone. Fish, gone. Crabs, coral, seaweed, all dust. But it doesn't stop there. Everything on land that eats ocean life collapses too. Seabirds, seals, penguins, starved. And guess who's sitting at the top of that food chain? Yep, us. No fish, no crops, no water. The global food system collapses harder than your phone after 1% battery. Mass famine. Global drought. You're not just thirsty, you're done. Imagine walking to Europe, across the exposed seafloor of the Atlantic. Dust storms howl where waves used to crash. You pass the wreck of the Titanic, now baking in the sun. Kids build sandcastles with whale bones. Airlines advertise, fly over Earth's ugliest desert. And every surviving animal is now drinking from puddles in plastic buckets. There's no water in your toilet, no water in your shower. The only thing hydrated is your anxiety. So yeah, the oceans disappear, and Earth doesn't just break, it goes insane. What's the first thing you'd do if the oceans vanished overnight? Try to farm plankton, surf on dust dunes, walk to Atlantis, comment your best survival plan, funniest one gets pinned. And if you love wild what-if scenarios that ruin your reality in the best way possible, smash that red subscribe button for Wonderful World, where we break the universe every single week.